Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I'm gonna make this kind of a random video because I've had a lot of people ask me about the Patreon and joining the Patreon and where's the link. And I know I'm still kind of new with the whole like YouTube stuff, so I'm kind of not very good at uploading all the links and all the, like descriptions and stuff, and also like adding the Patreon link to my to the comments and like pinning it and stuff. So I'm making this video specifically to let you guys know that I as of 5 minutes ago, I'm gonna be like mass uploading or updating my descriptions on all my videos of with the Patreon link, because I think like other information and stuff that that I don't remember what it was, but for the most part, it's really just to do the Patreon link update and stuff for all my videos and stuff. And again, I like it's again, if you guys support the channel, fantastic. If you guys would just want to support me as a creator, you guys can join. There's a lot of cool stuff in there as far as, you know, me teaching you guys how to trade divergence and access to my indicators and a bunch of other stuff. It's just really cool overall. But really, it's just to kind of let you guys know that, you know, I've updated the link on all the descriptions on my videos. So if you're on, you know, this video or the most recent one or one that I made like a year ago, whoa, then you guys can more than likely just go to the description and you'll find the link on the Patreon and stuff there. It's probably not going to be pinned on like the comment section because it's going to require me to go through like hundreds of videos and pin everything kind of like manually and stuff. But yeah, that's kind of it. This is basically it. It's just, you know, patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'll have the link pinned in this particular video, and I'll also have it in the description. So if you guys do want to join the Patreon, feel free. Maybe you guys just, oh, my child is gonna break a bunch of glass stuff. Come on, mama. Come on. We do not play with glass here. There you go. Sorry about that. But yeah, just letting you guys know, Patreon link is going to be in the description. It's going to be pinned in the comments for this video, and as well as updated for all the other videos and stuff in case you guys would like to join or even just support me as a creator. I'm completely fine with either or, but again, there's a lot of stuff on there that maybe you guys will find interesting. Just posting this video for that. I'll see you guys later. Have a good weekend and happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.